Said it already. Oh, look at that! Whoa! Was that a compressor stall? What's going on? Whoa! Whoa, whoa, hang on. That's not good. That's not good, guys. Oh, here we go. There it is. Emergency vehicles being deployed now. Oh, man. Wow. Some more emergency vehicles. We have airport ops doing a runway inspection. Now that makes sense because that's the runway that the 767 took off. So airport ops doing a inspection to see if there's any debris ejected from that engine.
ARP 1 LA Tower, number 1 engine, 69 emergency aircraft 390 miles per hour.
LA Tower, copy number 1, next to land, 3 miles.
Delta 446, requesting standby.
Hydraulics are functioning and we got the landing gear down for the 767.
2501. Alpha 05, proceed on runway 25.
Coming in hot. Coming in really fast. Now the 767 is coming in very heavy. It didn't drop any fuel. Let's zoom in to the engine. Engine number 1, who had the big flare.
Yeah, they had a fire indication on the left engine. We ended up firing both bottles. Just want to make sure that you don't see no indication of a fire in that engine. Right now, we're not showing anything in terms of Delta 446 Armstrong copy. We have our rig behind you. They're checking it out. Okay, let us know. LA Tower from R4, permission to enter runway 25 left at Alpha 8.
R4 LA Tower.